So today we're going to be working on this Genesis V80 2023 model, full matte PPF color transformation. We'll be keeping the gloss clear on the rear and front headlights, as well as these black trim pieces that go along the vehicle. The B, C, and D pillars will also be applied with clear PPF, as well as the door sills just right in here. Save your feet from getting